Good morning, breakfast lovers. Ever wondered how those crispy, golden cornflakes end up in your bowl? Today, I'm diving into the fascinating journey of cornflakes, from farm to table. Let's crunch through the process. Cornflakes, invented in the 1890s by Dr. John Kellogg, are a breakfast staple loved worldwide. But how do we go from corn kernels to those iconic flakes? Let's break it down, step by step. First up, the ingredients. The star is corn. Specifically, degermed corn grits, which are the starchy part of the kernel. Next, the mixture heads to giant pressure cookers. Here, it's combined with water and cooked under high pressure and heat for about an hour. This turns the gritty mix into a smooth, dough-like mash, ready for shaping. Once cooked, the hot mash is dumped onto a conveyor belt. The mash is spread out evenly, moving toward the next stage like a river of corn goodness. Sometimes the mash forms clumps, so it passes through delumping machines. These break up any lumps, ensuring a uniform texture. Now the mash is dried in large ovens to reduce moisture, making it easier to shape. After drying, it's cooled and tempered, left to rest, so the moisture distributes evenly. The tempered mash is fed into heavy rollers that flatten it into thin, delicate flakes. Finally, the flakes are toasted in huge rotating ovens at high temperatures. This gives them their golden color, crispy crunch, and delicious flavor. After a quick cool down, they're sprayed with vitamins and packed into boxes, ready for your breakfast table. And there you have it, the incredible journey of cornflakes. From simple corn kernels to a breakfast icon, it's a process full of science and care. Next time you crunch into a bowl, you'll know exactly how those flakes got there. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know what food you want us to explore next.